This is a beta. This is not publicly released, so you may see some changes before you get to see it, which will be soon. But you'll notice it has a number of areas, and let me describe them generally first. So there's kind of the search area, which these areas that are going to be encircled in red are going to kind of direct you to what I'm speaking about. So there's a search area, so you can do a quick search for a subject area that you're trying to cover, or a particular product or a particular vendor or whatever. The next area is a quick links. This is a place where typically new reviews would be posted as they roll off the review process and things of that nature. There's an area to register, and you might ask, why do we need to register? Well, it's really an opportunity, I think, because this product will allow you to, once registered, be able to save all of your personal information related to the reviews and products you're interested in, such as your favorites, products and reviews, and be able to take notes and highlight areas of those reviews that you might use for making decisions or making moving forward on your own education about the INACSL standards. The last part is kind of the yin to the yang of search is browse. And many people will find it easy to just dive in by seeing, well, what are the product names, what are the vendors, or what are the subject areas.